Today we're going to be making hot chocolate truffles. First up, add double cream and chocolate to a pan and melt until smooth. Pour it into a container and refrigerate for 2 hours. Scoop up 2 tablespoons of the mix and place on a plate, then freeze for 20 minutes. Roll them into balls, then dip into melted chocolate and drip off any excess. Sprinkle with some chocolate shavings, then freeze until set. Drop one into hot milk and stir until fully melted. This is honestly the best hot chocolate I've ever made at home. Enjoy! These strawberry shortcake cookies have been highly requested and they taste amazing. Whisk together melted butter and sugar, then add 1 egg, vanilla, strawberry jam and pink food colouring and whisk these in. Add plain flour, corn flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and salt and fold until just combined, then pop the dough in the fridge. Roll the dough into balls, then place on a baking tray, bake in the oven and let them cool. For the icing, whisk together softened butter, cream cheese and vanilla, then gradually whisk in the icing sugar. Pipe it onto your cookies and smooth it out. For the crumble, crush up shortbread biscuits, then pour them into a bowl. Mix with strawberry jelly mix and melted butter until crumbly. Sprinkle it over the icing and that's it. Enjoy! Today we're going to be making super quick mini chocolate chip cookie cheesecakes. Finely crush up your cookies, then pour them into a bowl. Mix with melted butter, then press it into 9 cupcake cases. Whisk double cream to stiff peaks. In another bowl, whisk cream cheese and icing sugar until combined. Then add half the whipped cream and fold this in. Add chocolate chips and fold these in, then scoop the mix onto your base and smooth it out. Freeze for 20 minutes, then pipe on the remaining whipped cream, chocolate chips and half a cookie to finish. Enjoy! Here's how to make super soft red velvet cookies. Whisk together melted butter and granulated sugar until light in colour. Then add 1 egg, vanilla and strong red food colouring and whisk until combined. Add plain flour, corn flour, cocoa powder, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder and salt and mix to form a dough. Then refrigerate for about an hour. Scoop up the dough and roll it into a ball, then place on a baking tray and bake in the oven. For the icing, whisk softened butter, cream cheese and vanilla until smooth, then gradually whisk in the icing sugar. Pipe it onto the cooled cookies and smooth it out. I topped mine with Oreos because apparently I just couldn't help myself, but this is totally optional of course. Enjoy! Here's how to make a super moist vanilla cake in the microwave with no eggs. Cream together softened butter and sugar, then add Greek yogurt and vanilla and whisk until combined. Don't worry if it's lumpy. Add plain flour, baking powder and milk and whisk until smooth, then pour it into a microwavable dish and level it out. Microwave until a toothpick comes out clean, but make sure you don't overcook it. For the icing, whisk butter until creamy, then gradually whisk in the icing, sugar and vanilla until smooth. Spread it over the cooled cake and smooth the edges and the top, then cover it in sprinkles and serve. Super easy and so delicious. Enjoy! Here's how to make super tangy lemon and blueberry blondies. Cream together softened butter and granulated sugar, then add 1 egg, 1 egg yolk and lemon juice and whisk until combined. Sift in plain flour, baking powder and salt and fold these in until just combined, then fold in the lemon zest and fresh blueberries. Scoop it into a tin and smooth it out, then bake in the oven. For the glaze, mix together icing sugar and lemon juice until smooth, then pour it over the warm blondie and smooth it out. Let it set and that's it. Enjoy!
Let's make a flan with the mayor.
I can't wait to try it.
Oh yeah.
Evaporated milk, here you go.
In with our condensed milk.
Whole milk.
Those fresh eggs.
Vanilla.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna give it a quick mix. Whoa.
Caramel sauce goes in.
Don't burn, don't burn, don't burn, don't burn.
Now we're gonna strain our mix under.
Now we cover with aluminum.
And in with the water bath.
Now we bake. The moment of truth.
Pray to the gods of flan.
Oh. Caramel.
So
wow,
good.
That's perfect.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, absolutely. Excellent.
Is that a yes?
Top notch. Absolutely. I'm going for number 2.
It's approved.
Now it's time to say goodnight at the end of a love.